Hello, welcome to Bolney. Today we're making 3 different cocktails, the Sussex Negroni, the Bolney 75 and the Cold Brew G&T. We're going to start with the Sussex Negroni. Firstly, you want to add 25 ml of our Bolney Estate gin. Then you want to add 25 ml of our English vermouth. And lastly, you want to add 25 ml of Campari. Then add your ice and stir until you've reached your required dilution. To finish, you want to add a slice of either fresh orange or, like us, you could use a slice of dehydrated orange. And now a twist on a very traditional English cocktail, the gin and tonic. We've added cold brew liqueur. You want to start with 50 ml of gin. Then you want to add 25 ml of cold brew coffee liqueur. Top your glass up with ice and finish by adding Fever-Tree Mediterranean tonic. Our final cocktail is a take on the classic French 75. It's our Bolney 75. You want to start by adding 15 ml of lemon juice into a glass. You want to add 5 ml of your simple sugar syrup solution to your lemon juice. Next, you want to add 45 ml of your Bolney Estate gin. Top your beaker or glass up with lots of ice and mix until thoroughly chilled. Strain the lemon gin mixture into a champagne flute and top up with our Bolney bubbly.